Hope everybody's good. Welcome to another video, Crossword Done Daily Challenge. Thank you to all the viewers and subscribers. 1 week on YouTube. I'm actually really happy that people have enjoyed the videos and are engaging, and I'm really motivated. I've got some technical issues I'm still trying to iron out, but still new to this, but should be over soon, so stay tuned. More crosswords, more tips on the way. And I'm going to try and slow down a bit and focus on being informative and explain as I go. So let's get to it. Today we've got Monday 26th February, Metro quick crossword. Okay, let's go. Right, one across. Potatoes, 5 letters. Good example of why this is good for English learners. Spuds, slang. You wouldn't learn that in the book to begin with. 4 down. Pig pen, sty. Comes up often. I think it came up the other day. If anyone saw it, it shows that as you do it, you see the same clues and it gets easier. 2 down. Spanish dish. It's usually out of 2, either paella or tapas. Here we've got the P, so we'll go paella. I think it's P-A-E. Paella. L-L-A. Let's check. 10 across. Untidy. Messy. Okay, so let's see. Okay, 3 down. Deny any connection with. This something. We'll come back. 9 across. European language. 7 letters. So obviously this could be any language in Europe, but we've got the T there, so I think Italian looks good. And 7 down. Soon. Anon. 6 across. Prisons. Jails. Okay, 5 down. Threshing implement. Flail. Okay, 13 across. Enmity. Antagonism. When there's 2 numbers with a comma, that means there's 2 words, so I always put a line. So 3 and 4, or 3 and 4, helps you see that it's 2 words on the grid. So enmity, antagonism, ill will, I think ill will. And so 3 down. Deny any connection with. Disown. If I'm not sure, I leave it blank until I get some confirmation from other clues. 13 down. Inuit house. Igloo. 17 across. Acquire. Gain. 14 down. Glandular organ. Liver. 24 across. So I'll without filling it in, I'll just see what it is and check the next clue, and when I get a confirmation, then I'll put it in. 24 across. Belonging to us. Our. 20 across. Musical dramas. Operas. So yeah, liver, confirmed. 21 down. Deal with. Punish. P-N-I-S-H. 30 across. Applaud with shouts. I'd say cheer. N-I. 27 across. Musical instrument. Could be a few. Usually piano, cello. This one, sitar, could be. So if it's I'll come back. 26 down. Girl's name, could be many, maybe Anne. Again, I'll come back. 12 down. Smacks. Slaps. 12 across. Warning device. It's usually alarm or siren, but here we've got the SI, so we've got that. 6 down. Spear. Javelin. 11 across of the voice, vocal, C8, 8 down, idler, loafer, vocal. 15 across, stitch, sew. Okay, 18 across, numerical symbol, figure, F-I-G-U-R-E, F, 18 down, focal point, focus, F-O. Okay, 19 across, cutlery item, spoon. That's an easy elimination one. It's going to either be spoon, fork, or knife. So when you've got letters, you can see it. 18 down, focal point. I think we said focus. F-I-G-U. 15 down, exceptional, splendid, super. Okay, 16 down, sheds tears, weeps. And 18 across, numerical symbol, figure. So you can either make it easy for yourself or hard for yourself. If you want, you can work out of a corner and build and use the letters you've got, and it makes it a process of elimination. It makes it a lot easier. Or you can make it hard and go for each corner one at a time and have no clues and make it more of a challenge, but you might make mistakes if you don't cross-check. So anyway, 22 across, assist, help. 22 down, desire for food, hunger. 23 down, myth, legend. Okay, 28 across, concur, agree. 28 down, curve, arc. 31 across, vulgar, crude. Okay, so if we say that was a focal point, focus, C-U-S. 25 across, surgical stitches, sutures, focus. Sometimes it seems too obvious. Focal point, focus, you think it can't be, but then it is. So often it is the easiest thing, the first thing you think. 19 down, one who rescues another. Okay, not quite sure yet. 25 down, chairs, seats. Okay, 29 across, nourish. I think nurture. Okay. So I think that's it. 21 down, deal with, punish. And then musical instrument, if it's piano, P-I-A-N-O, that would make help, that would be an. And then 26 across, assistance, that's aids. And then I'll go with an, and then piano. And then that will be one who rescues another, savior. Okay, that's it. Crossword done. Hope everybody's had a go by now. If not, don't hesitate. Grab a free paper, or if not, they're all online. So print one out and get started. Let me know if you've had a go, how you're getting on, anything I can help you with, or anything you want to say. We can all learn and progress together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.